And we're getting to that season. We'll have a lot of outdoor events, walks, and fundraisers like that this weekend. Man.
It looks amazing.
Very good for this.
But an important reminder, we all have to change our mindset a little bit. We've only had a handful of really warm and really sunny days.
Period.
Yeah.
Right.
So sunscreen, all that stuff, like hydrating if you're going to be outside doing exercise.
Yes.
That's a great point.
Back to the summer mentality.
Yeah, and where it's also been fairly chilly and kind of gloomy this spring too. The lakes and ponds are really cold.
Yes.
Of course, the ocean's always cold this time of the year. So also this weekend, that's something you're going to want to consider.
Right.
If you're thinking of taking a kayak out or going out on a paddle board, follow all those cold water precautions.
As they say, dress for the temperature of the water, not the air temperature.
Exactly.
Warm.
But yeah, the weather is going to be enticing this weekend to do all of those things, that's for sure. We've got some rain to get through before we get to the weekend, and most of the rain today has been back in New Hampshire, but now we're starting to see this low kind of swing to the east, and it'll bring this axis of rain, which has been soaking the Granite State today, into southern and parts of mid-coast Maine tonight. We're starting to see some showers kind of percolate and develop on the east side of it here, and there is some heavy rain now in York County. Yellows and oranges here indicating that heavy rain from the Berwicks over to York and Cape Nettic, and that goes down to the seacoast of New Hampshire too. Some showers coming through Portland, but to the east and north of Casco Bay, there's actually a little sunshine still right now. That's going to close up in short order, so don't get used to it. And over down East Maine, we're mostly cloudy with a few areas of some light showers at the moment. Temps still 62 in Bangor and 65 in Caribou. There will be virtually no rain in far northern and eastern Maine tonight and tomorrow. Maybe a quick shower. It really is just going to be a southern Maine thing going forward. And you can see that from here, this narrow zone of rain moves into southern Maine. There may be a few showers surrounding it, but the very heaviest of the rain becomes focused right over the southern third of the state tonight. You might even hear the rumble of thunder out there as some of this is coming through. And then as the low to our south starts to decay and weaken, the intensity of the rain will come down by tomorrow morning, but there still will be showers around through the morning hours. It'll be cool and damp, and then these showers will weaken through the afternoon. Notice where the sun is out tomorrow afternoon. Northern Maine and perhaps in parts of down east. Late in the day, some of this dry air tries to come south. So there's a little hope for a few late day breaks of sun in central and southern Maine, but certainly by evening, most of the shower activity will be over. So just for example, one of our computer models showing not much rain north and east of Bangor, while over southern Maine, a zone of 2 to 3 inches of rain may fall overnight tonight into tomorrow. And then it's a beauty of a day on Saturday. That system's out of here. We have sunshine, highs in the low to mid 70s. There's a weak cold front on Sunday that could pop up a shower, maybe a rumble of thunder. But importantly, this changes the wind direction to the northwest. So temps on Sunday between 75 and 80, and it may actually be warmest at some of the beaches of southern Maine on Sunday. Small crafts are up through Saturday morning, seas 4 to 6 feet out on the water tomorrow. So there is a look at the next 7 days, and this is an incredible stretch of weather. Really, some people may think we're turning up the thermostat a little too much because we could be in the mid 80s inland on Tuesday, and that's going to come with a touch of humidity too, and that could mean a pop-up shower or thunderstorm Tuesday or Wednesday. I have a feeling some people, not going to say folks are going to complain, but they might be like, did we really have to go from cool and damp to considering putting on the AC just for a time on Tuesday or Wednesday?
A little middle range of the mid 70s would be good.
Yeah.
Big swing.
It sure is.
Right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.